Wow, eating giant mango. Nice. Do you love mangoes? So do subscribe. Cutting so satisfying. Wow, looks so yum. Wow, white apple. I'm seeing first time. Nice. Oh, which fruit is this? Looking so unique. Nice. Wow, cutting skills. Oh, look this juicy orange. Orange farming. Oh, it's really look juicy. Oh, which fruit is this? I think it's peach. Doing designing. Oh. Which fruit is this? Amazing. Wow. It's a food farm. But which fruit is this? Oh, eating pomegranate. Oh, doing designing pomegranates. It's a farm. Look amazing. Which fruit is this? It's look like apple. But it's not apple. Look this fresh apple. Unique color and designing. Do you love kiwi? So do subscribe. Wow. It's an egg. But look very different. Oh, I think it's fertilized. Wow, look this apple with the snow. Wow, satisfying. Which fruit is this? Too much. I love mangoes. It's really look delicious. Satisfying. Look this fruit. Inside yellow. Nice. Oh, it's onion. But inside black. It's look chocolate. Oh, fruits. Fresh fruits. It's look purple. Amazing. Wow. Mango is love. Looks so sweet and delicious. Mouth watering. I love this fruit. It's really sweet. Which fruit is your favorite? Let's do comment and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow this page. Thanks for watching.